Hi guys, welcome back to my another cooking show. So today we're just going to make fish balls with herring fish, and I already cleaned it. As you guys can see, I already took off the scales and I'm just like removing the bones, the middle bone off of it. And yeah, this is what it should be like when you're done with all that process. So I'm going to fry it with cooking oil, but you guys keep watching this video and you get to see the how it turns out. So yeah, see you guys. So now I'm just rinsing it with lime to remove as much ranky smell off of it as I could before I start seasoning it. Oh, I dropped one. Okay, so I'll do that like 3 times and then I start seasoning it. So we're gonna season it. First starting using some garlic. I'm using 2 of these garlic because I'm gonna pound it at the end of the day, so that's why I'm chopping it in like this. Doesn't matter because it's all gonna be like pasty and stuff after. Just gonna put 2 of these. And then some black pepper, white pepper, cayenne pepper, and some, we call it cow aid. It's actually a beef season, but it has a very good taste. So that's why I'm using it. This one. I'm putting half of that because I'm gonna season the meat. Also, and these are the black pepper. All of that because I have another one, and some cayenne pepper. It's very hot today, you guys. Okay, half of these will be enough. Yes. And then some white pepper. And a little bit of Maggi cube, because the cow season that I just showed you guys, the beef season, it's a little salty. So I'm just, and this is also a little salty, so I'm just gonna put half of it because you haven't seasoned your food good if you didn't put some Maggi cubes. And we do that. Okay, so that is ready. The cover, please. So this is ready to be pounded. Give me the cover, please. Cover it. Thank you. Okay, so now it's the fish and already seasoned. It's on the mataudo. That's what we call it, mata in some countries. That's how it's called. So now I'm just gonna pound it, and you have to be careful since I'm cooking outside. Sometimes the flies but yeah, so this is how you get into pastry, and then you have to be careful so the fish doesn't like fall off. So after it becomes like really pasty, I have to put the peanuts, grounded peanuts, so it can be sticky. So when I ball it, it's not gonna fall off.
2, 1.
Okay, now we put some peanuts, grounded peanuts, for it to stick on each other when you start to put it in like little balls. So I'm gonna keep pounding it so I can mix it, but this part is very hard because you guys know peanut is very sticky. But yeah, this is like the final stage before you start balling them, and it smells really good. Okay, I think we're good. And you have to try to mix it up so you don't when you ball it, you don't get to like meet just the peanut when eating it. Try as much as possible. If you're using a grinder, then it's easier. because everything would just mix. This one is, you guys know, very complicated. Okay, so you just do a little bit more mixing because you don't want the peanuts to be just like gathering in one place. Yes. Just start doing it. And you need water too because it's very sticky. Try to ball it as good as you could, and try to manage your time for the flies and stuff. Or you could just cover it each time you're ready to take another ball. Yeah. And then maybe my sides are not gonna be equal because I don't know, I'm trying to rush here. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so now we start frying, you guys. You put as much as you think is enough for it to fry properly. I think that is enough. Okay, so this is how the fishball looks like once it's done. This is how it's supposed to be, as you guys can see. It's really good. So now I'm gonna put all my sauce. This is peanut sauce, you guys. Fishball and peanut sauce is really good. So yeah. Till next time, see you guys again. Bye.